Hello darlings, for today's video, I'm creating a vacay-worthy shimmery look featuring the new limited edition Vibe Island collection by Buxom Cosmetics. To get started, I'm filling in my brows with the Boldface Better Brows Eyebrow Pencil in the shade B5. This is the second time I'm using this pencil, and I like it so far. Once I have a nice shape going, I'm skipping over defining them with the Pilouise base and just going right ahead and setting them in place with the Benefit 3D brow tones in the shade 4. Next, I'm doing my face makeup before eyes. First, I'm priming with the Avant Skincare Pore Perfecting Collagen Primer. Then, I'm priming with the Benefit Porefesional Pearl Primer to minimize the appearance of my pores. To add some glow to the skin, I'm applying the Buxom Divine Goddess Luminizer in the shade Venus. Then I'm going in with foundation using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Freshwear Foundation in the shade 400. I'm blending this in with a damp e.l.f. sponge. I've also blended this onto my eyelids because I'm not going to be applying eyeshadow primer today. Next, I'm applying concealer underneath my eyes with the Benefit Boiing Concealer in the shade 1. Once I've blended that in, I'm setting that area with the Hourglass Veil Setting Powder. I'm pressing this into the skin with a slightly damp mini Real Technique sponge. Now that we have our base done, I'm adding some depth and dimension back into the face by applying bronzer and contour. First, I'm taking a fluffy brush and applying the Buxom Staycation Vibes Bronzer in the shade Rooftop Tan to the hollows of my cheeks, along the edge of my forehead, and under my jawline. Then, I'm taking a darker shade of that Staycation bronzer called Backyard Bronze on a smaller, denser brush and deepening that up a bit. Next, I'm contouring my nose with the Luxie 121 brush. Now I'm using the Buxom Tiki Bar Eye and Cheek palette from the Vibe Island collection. This $39 multi-use palette features 6 primer-infused eyeshadows. It also includes the Wonderlust blush in the shade Seychelles and the new Wonderlust Glow highlighter in the shade Golden Hour. I'm starting off by applying blush to the cheeks, taking it all the way up to the temples and wrapping it around the brow a bit. Next, I'm applying the highlighter shade called Golden Hour and applying this to the highest points of my face, including the tops of my cheekbones, above my brow, bridge and tip of the nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. I'm also adding some to the inner corner of my eyes. For the eyes, I'm beginning by applying the shimmery burgundy shade called Burning Up to the outer corners of the eye with the Morphe JH31 brush. I'm taking this all the way up into the crease and sweeping it out towards the temple so that it blends in with the blush. I'm also adding some of this to the outer part of the lower lash line. Next, I'm applying the shimmery pink shade called Summer Fling. After that, I'm applying the shimmery gold shade called Go Coconuts to the inner part of the lid with the Morphe JH33 brush. To set everything in place and melt the powders into the skin for a flawless finish, I'm spraying on the Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. Moving on to lashes, I'm first curling my lashes with the Kevyn Aucoin Lash Curler. Then I'm applying the Buxom Xtrovert Mascara. For falsies, I'm using the Boldface Makeup True Collection lashes in the style Turning Heads, and I'm blending those in by tightlining with the Buxom Hold the Line Waterproof Eyeliner in the shade Call Me, which is black. Finally, for lips, I'm applying the Buxom Full On Plumping Lip Cream in the shade Ibiza Balm from the collection. And that completes this look. Will you be getting anything from the collection before it's gone? Let me know in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!